In this video, let me guide you on how to install and download Roblox on your laptop or PC. First, open your computer's App Store, scroll down and click on the search option, then type Microsoft Store and open it. Next, click on the search bar at the top and type Roblox. When you see Roblox in the results, click on it. On the left side, you'll find an install button. Click it to begin downloading. You can read more about the app while you wait, or simply wait until the play button appears. Once the installation is complete, press play or find Roblox on your computer and open it. You can then create a new account or sign in if you already have one. After logging in, you can start exploring Roblox by checking out the different sections on the left or jumping into a game. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.